Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Facebook account. So if you want to delete your Facebook account, then it's really easy. Just follow all the steps that I show you in order, and then you'll learn how to delete your Facebook account. So first things first though, make sure that you update your Facebook app all the way. So you can do that by going to App Store and updating it. Once you do that, you can head over to the Instagram app. Here, you're going to want to click on the three bars in the bottom right corner of your screen, and it'll bring you to the menu page. On the menu page, you're going to want to scroll down until you find the settings and privacy option. So as you can see, it's one of these four options right here. And once you find it, just click on it and a drop down bar should show up. On the drop down bar, look for the settings option. And once you find the settings option, just click on it. It'll bring you to the settings and privacy page. And on here, this page, you're going to look for the account subsection. Once you find it, you're going to want to look for personal and account information. If you can't find it, you can also use the search bar in the top right corner by just searching up your personal account information. But once you do that, look for account ownership and control in the personal and account information. Once you find that, click on it and it'll bring you to this page right here. Here, there will be an option for deactivation and deletion. Look for that option and just click on it. Once you find it and click on it, switch the option to delete account instead of deactivate account. So if you click on delete account, then that will completely delete your account. Deactivating just deactivates it for a bit. But if you want to delete it, just click on that and then click on continue to account deletion. So it'll try to get you to not delete your account, but if you don't care, just go through all this. And to keep Messenger, you have to use deactivation and not deletion. If you delete it, then it'll get rid of your Messenger as well, so keep that in mind. You can read through all this as well, like saving your info and stuff, but it doesn't really matter. If you want to keep it, then you can. But once you go through all that, just click on delete account at the bottom. It's a blue button. And you can read through all this, of course, like download your information. If you have an old account, then you might want to do that. But once you're done, just click on delete account. And then you have to enter your password right here. So do that real quick after you choose all your options and whatever. And then click on continue. Now here, it'll ask you once again if you really want to delete your account. Just click on delete account. And then it will completely delete your account. So you can read through all this. It's going to give you 30 days to log back in, I think. So deactivate your account for 30 days. And if you don't log back in during the 30 days, it'll completely delete your account. So as you can see, the account is now deleted. It's going to kind of glitch out the app, but you can just reset your app by swiping up and swiping out of it. And then if you go back into your Facebook account, it'll say session expired. And as you can see, the account should be deleted now. If you log back in, then you will reactivate it and it won't be deleted anymore. But if you just wait 30 days, then it will be completely deleted. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them. And I'll see you guys next time.